Hi my friends, welcome to German for Lazy. Let's learn common German phrasal words. Our first word is Willkommen. Willkommen. It translates like welcome. Willkommen. Welcome. Hallo. Hallo. Hello or hi. Hallo. Hello or hi. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Good afternoon. Guten Tag. Good afternoon. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Good evening. Guten Abend. Good evening. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Tschüss. Tschüss. Goodbye. It's another way to say goodbye for friends. Tschüss. Goodbye. Nice job, my friends. Let's pronounce one more time each of the new words. Willkommen. Welcome. Hallo. Hello or hi. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Guten Tag. Good afternoon. Guten Abend. Good evening. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Tschüss. Goodbye for friends. Well done, my friends! Now, if you haven't already learned each of these common German words, don't worry, never give up, you can always listen to this video one more time. Danke, see you next time, tschüss!